Is there like a technique to it?
I don't know what's technique. I'm just going by the seat of my pants.
Huh?
I'm just going by the seat of my pants.
Oh. If you leave 1 in, you're a genius. If you leave 2 in, you're pretty smart. But if you leave 3 in, you're just actually stupid. That's what it says. Those are the rules.
Yeah.
So if you want to be considered average intelligence, you gotta leave at least 2 pegs in there.
Right. I got 3.
Oh, okay. You're pretty stupid then. I'll try it. You know, the phone while I do it.
Oh, did you film it?
Yeah, I'm filming it. Without your consent. Here, take it. Okay. Alright. We're in Cracker Barrel.
Hello.
Alright. I mean, you can show my face too if you want, I don't care. So yeah, if you leave, so basically the objective of this game is like, you gotta like jump over the next peg and you take out that peg and then you have to jump over all the pegs to take them out. If you leave 1 in, you're a genius. If you leave 2 in, you're like average intelligence. If you leave 3 or more in, you're pretty stupid, so yeah, let's see what my intelligence level is. We're missing 1 peg, but again, there's 1.
Yeah, that makes a big difference when you're missing a peg.
Yeah.
Kind of changes the game a little bit.
I think it makes it a little bit easier. It makes it a little bit easier, just slightly. Trying to get all of them into one side. I'm not sure if I can do that now because there's now an empty gap right here. So I guess I'm gonna try to shift these ones over here. Those ones will be trapped. Let me do this. Oh boy. Oh wait. Can I jump there? No, I can't. But that's the only. Wait. Oh wait, maybe this. Oh no.
Don't leave 4.
I'm gonna be.
What does that mean?
You're
Yeah.
I don't know. You're a caveman or something.
3.
I'm stupid. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. I got 2. I remember getting 2. Like, is it still on?
You want it on?
Yeah. Was it not on?
No, it was on, and I paused it for a second.
Oh. Just gotta refill in the gaps. Yeah, usually there's supposed to be only like 1 hole open, but we lost a peg, so there's 2 open, so that makes the game a little bit easier than it should be. That's gonna be the peg I'm gonna try and leave open. Maybe do this. I'm not only 4 in, but that's the only move I can make. I left 4
Oh no.
in. You wanna try it?
Sure. You want to pause it while I fill it up?
Ah, that's fine.
What of these have you been leaving empty? The center or the side?
It doesn't matter, actually. I don't think there's a rule to what space you leave empty. So you can do anything you want. You can make any formation with them. It might even make it easier if you do it a specific way. I don't know. Think wisely, right?
Yeah. I'm stuck. I should have done that one.
Sometimes you just gotta flow with it.
Just gotta flow with it. This one's gonna be there.
Okay.
Ah.
Three. Alright. Well, I got two before, I'll say that.